I can't believe that this is happening.
I'm glad that you enjoy it. So the last couple of years you didn't do that because
What does that mean?
yeah. Buddha Ram. Buddha. Yeah. Somewhere. Yeah. Okay, come stand up there so that we can take pictures. Just that. Oh, you go stand right here. And look this way. Look at this way so you can see.
She's in the sun.
Yeah,
She
it's
should
okay.
get this way.
Just take it. Yeah, so they can see, you can see from the north or side, the water side, the east, the west.
So you think it's surprising.
Right. And the water side. This will be used here as zodiac.
How many different?
Well, you should have- I don't know,
Five
5 or 6, yeah. Yeah, so that way people make a preparation. Yeah. The monkey. What's this monkey doing over here?
ลิงน้อย
Take that picture with the monkey.
Well, hang on, I'll move this up. Yeah, try it.
แม่มันจะทายนำ
Now you have two monkeys.
โอเค
Done.
Look.
Try it later.
อ๋อ
See? You got it. You got the pictures already. Come on up. You can take picture of the tiger. See? Now look at the camera. Oh my! See?
I'm so happy to have this.
Hey. One step at a time, one foot at a time. Okay.
I'm going to have those. I'm going to have you send it to me, and I'll have them made into paper.
Yes, let me send it to you. See this tree here? It's called Bodhi tree. It's called Bodhi. Bodhi. Bo. It's a B. Bodhi tree. So this is the tree that the Buddha himself was sitting under. Alright, let's go see that Buddha's over there. Come on. Grab onto my arm.
พอดีใจไล่
Reasons why people woke up. Yeah. Look over there. Take pictures. Just put it there as well. Yeah, here, this one here, you can touch. Just go far. Oh. Yeah, just takeถ่ายรูปเพิ่นได้แล้วก็ส่งให้เพิ่นสิเป็นหน้าเป็นแผ่นขึ้นมา Careful on that side.
อ๋อดีใจไล่
Oh my goodness.
See, I wasn't kidding. He actually got 4 fish. Look, and they're all the same.
Oh, it's so lovely.
Yeah, this side too. See this side too. Okay. Watch your foot, feet. See?
Yes,
4 face. 4 face, 4 arms. Take arms. างงามหลาย
ว่า
No, here. Yeah, they have it here. They have this kind of plant here. That's why I was surprised when I see it. You have to be back before the gates close. Otherwise, they have to jump the gate. They have to jump the fence. Last Saturday, when I go up to pick you up, they were having this call in Atlanta ceremony. So at the end of nice float like this, and then release it into the Mekong River, which is flower float, and the candles and incense, and then they would place it here to basically the water, so they let the river run around. But at night, it's nice to look at the light. That's a whole tour. Well, that's a handicap. So we have places here. We use it for handicap people.
Maybe they put the boat.
We put it in the back because see the back there behind the building. You have some couple of buildings. Okay. Yeah, you want to get in? We go. Yeah, but just careful. Yeah. หลับไปไหนนี่
ฮะ
จะสินอนหลับไปไหน
เราสินอนรับไปโอ้ยดีใจเลยเด้
Plenty of room for you.
Yes, fine.
ดีใจเอาแถวว่าเพิ่นได้ออกมาเห็น
ดีใจเพิ่นได้มาวัดเพิ่นย่างหลายเด้อมื้อนี้อาญาณเพิ่นรับเดินรถไปแล้วมื้อนี้ ไป
โอเค
พักก่อนนิดนึง Oh, my legs are tired.
That's a wonderful camera. It's very good, isn't it?
Yeah, they're really good with the camera. The iPhone. เพิ่นบ่หิวข้าวเพิ่นบ่กินน้ำพ่อแม่เพิ่นไปย่างเมื่อกี้เนาะกลับมาเพิ่นก็หิวข้าวให้เอาข้าวให้เพิ่นกินหน่อยนึงเบิ่งเพิ่นกินข้าวแล้วกินข้าวเหนียวกับอันน่ะกระดูกข้างหมูจำน้ำซีอิ๊วเพิ่นเด้เพิ่นน่ะ we just took her out to the temple, walk around, take some pictures, and now we come back and we just give her sticky rice, spare ribs, and soy sauce for dipping sauce, and she's having that's a grapefruit, grape juice, okay? Not a wine, not a wine, grape juice.
Fermented grape juice.
Yes. She's enjoying the day today, so she's really happy, and we are happy. So.
Wait, just a minute.
What do you got there?
I don't know. Open and find out.
Let's see.
Something soft.
Wow, something soft.
Yeah.
Someone's being a good student today.
Right there.
Say someone is being good student today.
Someone's being a good teacher today.
Oh, look at that. Oh, look at that. Two of them. Let's see.
Oh,
That's a blue color.
skirt.
It's a skirt.
Oh, how nice. Oh, pretty. Oh, this is nice. That's really nice.
That's a long, so
Oh.
yeah, it's a, it has a pocket.
Oh, really?
Yes, it
Oh,
has
that's good. I always need a
Size,
pocket.
it has side pocket. And then it's 28 or 29 inches long, so it's long.
What is it there?
It's 28 or 29 inches
Oh, I
long.
see. I wonder what the waist is.
Open it up.
Huh?
Open it up.
Okay. Oh, this is wonderful. Because I really need winter skirts.
Yeah.
I have a sewing machine, but I haven't had time to use it.
Yeah. Well, that's a large. Should be large. The waist.
Oh, that looks good.
Yeah, that should fit you.
Oh, this would be nice and long, I think.
Yes, it is.
Oh, this is wonderful.
Careful. See?
Oh, yes, that's good. Oh.
That's okay.
I guess
That's
we
o-
have to put the
Yeah, that's
straps
okay.
in
That's
on
okay.
again.
Yeah.
Oh, this is, oh no, it's good. The waist is good.
Yeah.
The waist
That's good.
is good. Oh,